Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am absolutely obsessed with the Happy Planner. So if you are interested in the Happy Planner or use it as well, then I definitely suggest subscribing to my channel. I upload one or more videos every single day, and it's all about how I plan, how I decorate, lots of different layouts. There's tips, there's tricks, there's DIYs, there's unboxings, all sorts of things. So definitely make sure that you subscribe. In this video, it's a quick one where I just decorate my teacher classic layout extension pack. It is the extension pack I got. I was really excited. I, kind of went back and forth on how I was going to use it, but I eventually found that using it as my journal instead of just a regular vertical layout really, really helps. Number one, because it's lined, but number two, I really like how there are boxes, like squares all the way down. It really seems to work really, really well. So that is what I use this layout for. It's pretty simple when I decorate it, but as you can see, I'm using this week the 514 book, and it has these cute kind of like cozy vibe doodle stickers. That tea kettle, the cute terrarium with the candle in there, the leaf, umbrella, it's really, really cute. I feel like I should have used more orange, but it's okay. So I had to put in some of my favorite washi. I went ahead and put that in there, and I wanted to layer some of those longer stickers on top of there. So that's what I did there on like the Tuesday, Wednesday spot. And this is one of my favorite fall sticker books. It's just, it has everything. It has lots of Halloween things, has lots of cute quotes, lots of, this page right here, the like bucket list, having Friendsgiving, apple picking, all those different things. It's just, it's such a good book. I definitely need to get another one. I feel like when I use stickers, it's like I can never use them again because, I stick them down and that's it. But honestly, I'm probably going to get another book. That's just probably how it's going to go. So anyways, sticking down a few more stickers, and I realized I probably should have used another washi just because it doesn't feel super, super fall. Like, I didn't use that much orange, which I feel like orange is like the main color for fall. So I ended up pulling out my fall washi here at the end, but it's like a really cute plaid, like the deep maroon red that I used on some of those other stickers. So I put that up at the top and down at the bottom of the other page. But really, my main idea for this week was just to use some of these cute, cozy fall vibes. And I had some of those other quotes, but I'm having a hard time even using them. So anyways, there's that checkered washi tape. And that's pretty much going to wrap it all up. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you have been subscribed for a while, I really, really want to thank every single one of you guys. It means so, so much to me. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.